Hi everyone, welcome. So we had a leftover boiled potato, so we are thinking to make burger. So we have put in chili flakes, turmeric, and what else we need to put? And then we can put some salt into it. And let's see the next process. And now take some olive oil, good for health. So this is going to be a pure experiment. Even we don't know how it will turn out, but yeah, if it will turn out well, you can try it. And the reason why we are making it, because we have this as well left over. So we just didn't want it to waste it, because if the time will go, it will expire and then it will not taste that fresh and good. So as you can see here, we have made tikki out of it. So you can make as big as you want, or you can just do like this. You can pat it and it will go thin like a puri. You can do like this. And now you can slightly fry it. You don't need to do a deep fry. This will work fine, so that you can eat healthy, guilt free. As you can see, it's already golden brown, and we will make sure that these also will turn into the same color, and then we will see the next process. Alright, now it's time for the veggies prep. As you can see, we have cabbage, we are grating it, and we have other vegetables too. I'm not sure if you are able to listen to me because there is Diwali celebration going on. So we are cutting some cucumber as well, and some onions too for the taste. So while cooking, we realized that we don't have coriander leaves, and so we thought to use mint leaves. So this is our terrace garden, as you can see, and we have held different types of flowers too. मैंने सुना है रात में पेड़ पौधों को नहीं छूते हैं, बट क्या किया जाए, पापी पेट का सवाल है. Now this is our next step. We need some chilies, some mint, and some salt. And you have to have a thin paste of it that we'll use as a green layer for the burger. Now this is the best use of knife. We have to cut this burger into half, and then we have to fill all these veggies. So this is the layering part to give you some tangy taste and flavor. Alright, मासी इसमें भर भर के टिक्कियाँ डाल रही हैं, तो हाँ. Now you can put some cream. You can put the homemade cream as well. Okay, this is how our final burger looks like, and I think you can enjoy it guilt free. Until then, bye bye.